guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to talk about this thing. It's called a pedal commander, and what it does is takes away the slack or the delay you have between the time you hit the gas and the car reacts, okay? Now, most people don't notice or do not care, but if you're a car guy like me, I want to hit the gas and I want instant response, okay? Now, I had this car for about 1.5 years and never really bothered me that much. But the other day I was playing around with my friend and his 5.0 Mustang. So every time we counted off 1, 2, 3, I would hit the gas and there was like this 1 second delay before the car reacts. And by that time he was already gone. So that kind of got me pretty annoyed, and I got on the internet right away and I started looking for these things, right? So these are like $300 brand new. It's crazy. I would never pay that much for this gadget, right? But I found this for 150 bucks used, and I figured, hey, for 150 bucks I gave it a shot. So let's install this thing and see what it does. Okay guys, this is what the gadget looks like. You got these plugs, and these plugs get plugged into your gas pedal, okay? Now, on this car you have to take off the gas pedal. In order to do that, you need to remove this little plate over here. So let's do that. Alright guys, you're gonna need like a screwdriver. I'm using a butter knife, something thin, so you just kind of get under here. I can get in it. There you go. And just pry this open, okay? Now you got two 10mm bolts. So let's get a wrench and get those off. After you remove these bolts, now you're gonna have access to this plug right here. So what we want to do is unplug this. The way you do this, you just press on this and this comes out, and then you're gonna plug in this guy in its place. Okay, let's do that. Okay guys, before you do this, make sure your key fob is in the house, okay, or far away from the car. And the car, you know, you wait a little while, let the car like power down, go to sleep, whatever, and then do this. You don't want to do this when you have your key fob in the way. Alright, so you just unplug this. Okay. So what you're going to do is plug this one in its place, and then you're going to plug the other one like that. That's it. So you're just going to put the pedal back on, and then this thing, you're just going to find a place to put it. Okay guys, let's turn on the car. See what this thing does. Okay, so set a city. Press this button. Let's go straight to plus. And then there's different settings down here. +1, 2, 3. You always go down to, you know, -1 or whatever. Let's do the full thing and see what it does. Okay guys, let's take this thing for a ride and see what it does. Definitely makes the throttle more sensitive, that's for sure. You just tap it and it wants to go. Not bad, you know. It's a fun little gadget, I guess. Would I pay $300 for this thing? I don't know. Let me try a little bit more. Hold on. Let me get on a little open road over here and see what it does. All right. Let's see. Let's go this way. The problem with this car also is the delay. The transmission sucks, so you know you have a delay on the transmission too. So now I got rid of the delay on the pedal, and you still got the transmission, which I think is something they could fix in the tune also. Like if you get a tune, the guy that does the tune is going to be able to fix the parameters and the gas pedal, whatever, and do everything through a tune. That's why the guy I bought this from, he didn't need it anymore. He got a tune, and I was able to just buy it for him cheap. So I don't know. It definitely makes it feel a little more fun, because all you gotta do is tap the gas and the car goes. Is it worth 300 bucks? No way. I wouldn't spend the money for this. Is it worth 150? I guess. I don't know. Maybe. This really should have been a $150 gadget retail from the start. Okay, I think it's like way overpriced. Let's see. Oh, got a bunch of cars coming. Hold on. Yeah, so it's all right. You know, it's a fun little thing. I wouldn't recommend it. So save your money, wait for a tune. All right, that's my review. Don't buy it unless you get it cheap. Unless you get it used and cheap, yeah, don't buy it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.